Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'd like to show you how you can avail free welcome boxes for your newborn baby. So, we'll be talking about what the steps are, where you can avail these from, and what items we can do. We can look at what items they've sent in these free goodie bags. So, come on, let's check them out. So when scrolling through Facebook, Instagram, a lot of ads keep coming up, and a couple of those that came up were for Target and for Amazon. So Target, Amazon, there are several others, but I in particular looked at Target and Amazon. There are certain steps you need to follow, and that's clearly listed in the respective websites. But I will also show them to you, go through them, and like kind of take you through the process of what I did to be able to avail these free goodie bags. So let's take a look at what's there in the Target welcome box. I did read that the value of the goods that they're sending us is about $65 to $80. Same with Amazon. And I haven't looked at what these are because I wanted to share them with you as I looked at them. So here we go.
So before we take a look at the items in the welcome kit, let's take a look at the steps that you need to follow to be able to avail this benefit from Target. So you first need to join Target Circle. That's a free membership, and I've already joined, so I didn't need to do that. The next step is to go into the link provided to create the baby registry. Then you need to add 10 unique items to the registry. And then the purpose of the registry is either you or anyone you'd like to share it with buys things from them for you and the baby. So you can, like I said, share this, and then either you or someone else needs to purchase at least $10 worth of items from that registry. And then you allow 24 to 48 hours for the Target Circle bonus to be issued, and it can be found on your registry dashboard. Following that, they will send you the kit, they will mail it to you. And that's it. You are allowed one kit per year. So I'm not sure how this would work for multiples, like twins or triplets. But at least for one child, these are the steps you follow.
So the first item that's on top of the bag is this. These are fragrance-free baby wipes. There are about 20 of them, and they're from Up and Up, which is Target's in-home brand. They're 99% water-based. The next item we have here is from Pampers. It says it's 100% leak-proof, plant-based skin protection diaper. There's just one diaper in it, and it's meant for 3 to 5 kg weight children. It's just, I guess, one way of Pampers promoting their plant-based diaper product. The next is another diaper from a brand called Millie Moon. They are being marketed as luxury diapers. There are about 2 of them in it. It's new, and I haven't seen this brand before, so I'm excited to try it when the time comes. Next item we have here is this sachet of bottle and dish soap. So pretty sure this is for the feeding bottles. Says it removes up to 50% of the milk film that builds up on the bottle. And the brand is Dapple Baby. Next we have is a popular brand in the US called Mommy's Bliss. And what we have here is gripe water. We bought gripe water for Vedant, but we never used it. However, there is this sachet available here, which is meant for tummy aches and things like that for children. It's for, yeah, it says it's for gas, for colic, for hiccups. Maybe we'll not need it. Who knows? Next thing we have here is this small sachet of lotion. It's again from Up and Up, Target's in-home brand, and it's a lavender baby lotion. Now we have formula, one sachet of formula. It makes one bottle and is from the brand Kendamil. It's formula powder. It says it's made with whole milk. So this one can be mixed with 1 liter of boiled water, and you can it provides its formula for the baby. We again have more diapers, and this is from Target's in-home brand Up and Up. So we've got like 3 sets of diapers, one from Millie Moon, one from Pampers, one from Up and Up. So getting this bag makes sure that you have everything essential at least for a couple of days after your baby's born. Again, this is similar to the lotion. This is shampoo and body wash for the baby. Again, lavender scented and from Up and Up. So this is from Aveeno Baby. It's a daily moisture healthy start newborn balm. I guess it's similar to a moisturizer, but the balm is more for skin protection. Gently apply on baby skin twice a day, morning and evening, for proactive newborn moisturization. So, just like the hair that uh, is there on a newborn's body after the child is born, which is called vernix, and which provides protection for the baby skin. This balm kind of behaves in the same way. Next here is a very popular brand here in the US. It's called Honest, and I think a lot of people prefer this brand. What they've provided here are 10 wipes, fragrance free wipes for the baby. This is a good one. So, this is an anti colic bottle from Dr. Brown's. It will help reduce colic. So, spit up, burping, gas. It'll help reduce all of that. And it says that it is number one pediatrician recommended. Um, so, it's a good thing to use an anti colic bottle. We had used one for Vedant. So, I'm really happy with this item. Next, last few items that we have. This is a pacifier for the baby. I think you can see it here. It's a pacifier for the baby from the brand Bibs. We also have a regular feeding bottle from Philips. It's not colic based or anything, but it is a feeding bottle for the baby. And lastly, now we've seen all of these items for the baby. This one is for the mother. So, what we have is nursing pad and breast milk storage bag samples inside. So, this is a breast milk storage pack. It's from the brand Lancino, and these are nursing packs. So these were the items that I received in the welcome box from Target. And you can see here, it says get your free welcome kit and exclusive deals. And they've mentioned that it's $100 value roughly that this totals up to. The next welcome box that I got was from Amazon, from Amazon's baby registry. So this is the welcome bag. Let's look at what all Amazon has provided.
Just as for Target, here are the steps to claim the baby registry welcome box from Amazon. As it said, the box contains full travel and sample size sachets for the parents and baby. The welcome box is available to customers with an active Amazon Prime account. Then you need to create the baby registry. And just like Target, you need to add 10 unique items from the baby registry checklist. You also need to purchase at least $10 worth of items from the registry, either by yourself or by someone you've shared the registry with. There are some other terms and conditions, but you can read all of those in here. Looks like Amazon gift cards are not included in that $10 purchase list. I took a look at Amazon India for those of you interested, and they have something called the Amazon Baby Wish List, which seems to be similar to the Amazon Baby Registry here in the US. You can see the steps needed, or the benefits actually, also that you can avail from having that baby wish list.
We have another Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle. So this is really good, right? We can rotate between the two bottles that we have from Target and Amazon. This is a third anti-colic bottle from the brand Man. Lots of anti-colic bottles, which is really good. It will be really good for the baby. This is a, let's say, like, kind of like an information book. It talks about how we can, what we can avail from the Amazon registry, and then lots of information about Amazon programs and benefits, and information on how to keep your baby healthy and happy. This is a good one. This is Aquaphor's ointment. It is just a sachet, but still, this is very essential for when the baby has rashes or a bit of chafed skin or scrapes. I know that this is very helpful in healing, because even I use Aquaphor for my chapped lips when they're broken, and they just heal overnight and they're magical. This is a good one. It's a swaddle. It's a newborn muslin swaddle. You can see that you can use it to swaddle the baby. We have again another diaper from Pampers, like the one we saw in Target, the plant-based leak-proof diaper. Oh, and this is a baby dress, a onesie. You can see the different options that are there, and we got the green. We again have another bottle, just like the one we saw from Target, from Philips, another anti-colic. Now, this last item from Amazon is for the mother. It's a belly oil. It contains cocoa butter, and it's to massage on the belly to remove or to help with stretch marks. And it contains collagen, elastin, argan oil, and shea butter. Yeah, you have 2 sachets of those. I don't know whether we'll use this or not, but these are a couple of kind of gift cards for meals that you can buy from HelloFresh and from Factor. So the thought is probably that it'll help with your meal prep once the baby comes. Now, I did not mention this at the beginning of the video, but there is one more thing that you can avail freely, and this is through your insurance. That is your breast pump. So, I ordered this through our insurance, and what I've got here is Spectra S1. I did a little research, asked around, and found that this is a really good brand for the breast pump. Previously, I'd taken Medela, but then a lot of people had advised on getting this one this time. So I got the Spectra S2 Plus. It's hands-free, and it comes with feeding bottles, or like storage bottles like these. And also it it comes with, I think, about 400 breast milk storage bags. So if you have good insurance, or any insurance, I think, for that matter, please make sure that you don't forget to avail this free breast pump through them. So you can see how availing these welcome boxes can really help with those first few days after your child comes home. You also get a few supplies from the hospital, but all of this is really helpful until you actually get started with the full-fledged purchase of items. Um, as I mentioned earlier, I've shown how you can avail these gift bags. So if you are expecting, please do check them out. I think you can avail them from your first trimester onwards, but I think for the first and second trimester, what you get is more for you than for the baby. If that's what you prefer, please go ahead and do that. I preferred having it for the child rather than for myself, so I did it in my third trimester, like towards the end of the third trimester, maybe like a month before the baby came. I hope you got some interesting information out of this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video so that a lot of other moms, new moms, get to know of these benefits. Please don't forget to subscribe to Family and Fusion for more content. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.